So guys, today we have one interesting question under conditional probability. So the question that we have reads to say, suppose that we have two events, A and B, with the probability of A being 0.50 and the probability of B being 0.60 and the probability of A intersection B being 0.40. So the first question which we have reads to say, find the probability of A given B, where you know for sure that this is the same as the probability of A intersection B over the probability of B, where you know for sure that the probability of A intersection B has been given to be 0.4 and the probability of B is given to be 0.60. So we'll just punch on our calculator 0.40 divided by 0.60. You get the value to be 0.6 bar. 0.66. We can say that it is reoccurring, or we can just put this in a fraction form. So that is the value. The other question is asking us to find the probability of B given A, which is the same as the probability of B intersection A over the probability of A, where you know for sure that A intersection B is the same as B intersection A. So this and that, they are the same in other language. So 0.40 divided by the probability of A, which is 0.50, in that if you were to divide 0.4 divided by 0.5, you get the value to be 0.8 also, which is 4/5. They are just the same. Then the other question which we have reads to say, are A and B independent? So for you to come up to a conclusion that two events are independent, you need to realize that the probability of A given B should be equal to the probability of A, or the probability of B given A should be the same as the probability of B. So if they are obeying these, then the two events are independent. But if they are not obeying, then the two events are dependent. So is the probability of A given B equal to the probability of A? So let us put the probability of A given B, which is the same as 2/3, equal to the probability of A, which is 0.50. So are these two events the same? No, they are not. So they are not independent at all. Even if you were to check, is the probability of B given A, which is 4/5, the same as the probability of B, where B is the same as 0.60? Are these two events the same? No, they are not. Why? Because they are not equal according to the rules of independence. So this is how we solve such kind of a question. Your host, Golden Zulu.